Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to use Chime app as a college student. Chime offers a modern fee-free banking experience perfect for college students managing finance digitally. It combines the convenience of online banking with essential features designed to help students save and spend smarter. So now opening and using your Chime checking account. Getting started with Chime is straightforward. All you have to do, you have to be 18 plus and a US citizen or legal resident with a valid SSN, and the account can be opened quickly via their mobile app or website with no credit check or minimum balance. So I have already done a video how you can open a Chime checking account. Go and check that video. Now once set up, your Chime Visa debit card can be used for everyday purchase and ATM withdrawals at over 50,000 fee-free location. If you need to deposit cash, you can also do that. There are 85,000 water location available, though some fees may apply. Okay, now building credit with Chime. So the Chime Credit Builder Visa credit card is a powerful tool for students looking to establish or improve their credit score without user risks. So what is that? No credit check required. You can apply for this secure card without impacting your credit score initially. Then second is there's zero fees and interest. You can enjoy no annual fees or interest charges, making it a low-cost way to build credit. Next is boost your credit score. Regular responsible use and on-time payments contribute positively to your credit history. Next is student friendly. Under 21 may require a co-signer or proof of college enrollment. So if you want to try this credit builder card, I recommend this for you. Now, here's a tip of managing your financial with Chime. First, create a monthly budget and stick to it. Perhaps you can use this 50-30-20 rules. And Chime has already talked about these rules. You can go ahead and see their article. Next, to utilize Chime's automatic savings feature and round of transaction to grow your savings effortlessly. Now, you can also aim to minimize students' loan debt by exploring scholarship and grants first. And another is regularly monitor your spending and credit score directly through the Chime app, and actively seek out students' discount and loyalty programs to save money on everyday purchase. And building credit early can set you up for the future financial stability. So by leveraging Chime's feature and adopting smart financial habits, college students can effectively manage their money and build a strong financial future. So I'm going to recommend you to use Chime because their features are awesome. And as you can see, they have great features. Go ahead and try out. And also, if you want to know how to set up their Chime account, I have done this video. You can go ahead and check out this video and set up your own checking account. That's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.